Hi, my name is Gareth van Zyl and I'm the editor of ITWeb Africa.com, and welcome to this week's market report where we look at the top and worst performing tech shares on some of the markets in Africa. This week we're looking at the Johannesburg Stock Exchange again. It's been a bit muted as compared to previous weeks. It's mainly as a result of investors and traders really waiting on the Finance Minister's mini budget speech today to see where the economy is going over the next sort of 6 months or so. But looking at the JSE, one company that has performed pretty well this week has been Telematics. So this is the company that basically designs these electronic tracking devices that can fit in cars. So if your car gets stolen, that device can then help you track your car. So they've actually grown their international operations in places such as the rest of Africa by up to about 30% this year alone. And with the weak rand, there's prospects that they could do pretty well, in the coming months. So their share has climbed, over 22% this week to about R2.92. So it's really quite a big jump. At the moment, their share is sitting at about R2.90. So one share that hasn't done particularly well this week is the South African telco Telkom. Of course, a company that is involved in fixed line operations and which also has its mobile arm in the form of Hater, is experiencing a lot of kind of negative sentiments in the market at the moment. There's been a lot of bad news that's sort of followed it from, the government basically not wanting to engage in a KT deal, to news this week that the communications minister wants to change the entire board of the company so that it reflects shareholders who are more open to what the South African government wants to do with the company. And it's fueling all kinds of speculation about what could happen next to Telkom. Of course, there were rumors earlier this year that Telkom could be nationalized, which would probably be disastrous for that company. So their share at the moment is down just over 2% to about R18.20. It's really been on the watch list in terms of negative sentiment for the whole year, really. That's pretty much all that we have for this week in terms of our market reports. Thanks for watching, and be sure to tune in next week. I'm Gareth van Zyl, and cheers.